Welcome back to Ultra Prime Selections, your trusted source for all things survival, preparedness, and self-reliance. In a world full of uncertainties, being prepared isn't just a choice, it's a necessity. Today, we're diving into 3 critical topics that every prepper and survivalist should know. Stick around to the end because we'll reveal exciting news about an upcoming video exploring a major mystery that could redefine how we see global security. Let's begin. 2025 is set to be a pivotal year, and here's why every prepper needs to be prepared for 3 key challenges: global instability, resource scarcity, and technological disruptions. Let's break these down and talk about actionable steps you can take today. With ongoing conflict and rising geopolitical tensions, 2025 could see escalated military actions or even a global war. Supply chains are already fragile, and international relations continue to deteriorate. This is the time to have contingency plans for restricted movement or martial law scenarios. How to prepare. Step 1. Identify potential threats in your area by researching local risks and regional instability. Step 2. Build a communication plan with your family. Use tools like ham radios or walkie-talkies for short and long-range communication. Test them monthly. Step 3. Create a detailed evacuation route, marking multiple safe zones. Print physical maps in case digital devices fail. Step 4. Learn basic survival tactics for urban and rural environments, such as camouflage, securing water, and improvised shelter building. Resource scarcity. Droughts, overpopulation, and economic downturns are pushing food, water, and energy supplies to the brink. Prices are soaring, and shortages are already evident. How to prepare. Step 1. Stockpile long-lasting food items like rice, beans, and freeze-dried meals. Aim for at least 6 months' worth of essentials. Rotate them periodically. Step 2. Set up a rainwater collection system using barrels and gutters. Install gravity-fed filters for safe drinking water. Step 3. Invest in portable solar panels and rechargeable batteries to reduce dependency on the power grid. Practice using them now. Step 4. Learn DIY methods for preserving food such as canning, pickling, and dehydrating to expand your supplies. Technological disruptions. The rise of cyber attacks, EMPs, and AI-related risks means that our reliance on technology is a vulnerability. A large-scale digital blackout could paralyze daily life. How to prepare. Step 1. Store important documents like IDs, titles, and medical records in waterproof, fireproof containers. Step 2. Learn analog skills such as compass navigation, manual farming, and written record keeping to operate without digital aids. Step 3. Use Faraday bags or cages to shield electronics from EMP damage. Test your setup by placing a radio inside and checking if it blocks signals. Now that we've covered what to expect in 2025, let's talk about something most governments won't admit: the secret foods they're stockpiling. Governments worldwide aren't just telling citizens to prepare, they're secretly stockpiling supplies for themselves. But what exactly are they storing, and why? Let's uncover the secrets. High-calorie emergency rations. Military-grade MREs, meals ready to eat, are a staple for governments. These packs provide essential nutrients and long shelf lives, perfect for emergencies. How you can get them. Step 1. Search for surplus stores or reputable online retailers that sell military MREs. Step 2. Inspect the packaging date and nutritional content before purchasing to ensure quality. Step 3. Store MREs in a cool, dry location to maximize shelf life. Step 4. Practice using one in a controlled setting to familiarize yourself with the heating process. Items like powdered milk, Freeze-dried fruits and vegetables are lightweight, nutrient-rich, and can last for decades. Governments prioritize these for extended crises. DIY freeze-drying. Step 1. Invest in a home freeze dryer if your budget allows. Look for brands with reliable warranties. Step 2. Slice fruits and vegetables into thin pieces to ensure efficient freeze drying. Step 3. Store finished products in mylar bags with oxygen absorbers for long-term preservation. Step 4. If a freeze dryer isn't feasible, use a low-temperature oven and vacuum seal items to mimic the process. Canned protein sources. Canned meats, fish, and legumes are key for providing protein when fresh sources aren't available. Pro tip. Step 1. Rotate your canned goods every 6 months to maintain freshness. Label them with purchase dates. Step 2. Opt for BPA-free cans to avoid contamination and store in a cool, dark pantry. Step 3. Create recipes using your canned goods now to ensure you enjoy the taste during emergencies. Honey and sugar. Governments stockpile honey and sugar because they're natural preservatives and provide quick energy. How to store them properly. Step 1. Store honey in glass jars to prevent crystallization. Use warm water baths to restore liquid consistency if needed. Step 2. Keep sugar in airtight containers to avoid moisture exposure and hardening. Step 3. Consider diversifying with natural sweeteners like maple syrup or molasses for variety. Grain and seed vaults. Grains like wheat, rice, and quinoa are stored in large silos, while seed vaults ensure future crop growth. How you can do it too. Step 1. Use food-grade buckets with gamma seal lids to create a mini grain silo. Add oxygen absorbers to each bucket. Step 2. Build a seed bank with heirloom seeds and practice growing them in small garden plots. Step 3. Rotate and replenish your grains and seeds annually to maintain viability. But that's not all. The question remains, why are governments stockpiling so heavily, and what do they know that we don't? Stay prepared, because the truth might shock you. Before we wrap up, we have exciting news. Ultra Prime Selections is releasing an eye-opening video soon about the mystery drones over North America and their connection to key infrastructures. Could these drones be part of a covert surveillance operation, or something even more sinister? Who is responsible? And why has this truth been hiding in plain sight? Make sure to subscribe to Ultra Prime Selections and turn on notifications so you don't miss this groundbreaking exposé. The answers might change the way you see the world forever. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay prepared, and remember, knowledge is power. Together, we can face whatever 2025 brings. See you in the next video.